Hello there, this is Mark Morgan. I'm going to introduce a great little app to you called Stash. Stash has a fantastic ability that the iPad does not have on its own, and that is the ability to save videos from the internet, such as Discovery Education and California Streaming. While you can save those files on a computer, the iPad doesn't have that capacity built in. So what Stash does is it builds these capabilities into its own internet browser. So let's take a look at Stash. That's this icon right here. And when you first start Stash, it brings you to this screen and it expects you to log into an account. You don't need a password though to go to the guest account. So I'm just going to tap on guest. And what you're looking at here is the main interface. Over here on the left, you've got your library of things you've downloaded, and on the right you've got content. Now it's showing me 8 items here that I've downloaded because I'm on the video section. You can also download images, videos, documents, and other things, things of various natures. The most important part though is the browser button. So down here, this little globe icon, you click that and it opens up its own browser. Now to get to Discovery Education, you would just type in discoveryeducation.com just like you would in Safari or Firefox or whatever browser you prefer. So we're going to go ahead and log in here. I'll log in as me. Okay, we're now looking at the standard interface for Discovery Education. Now I'm just going to search for a video. I'm going to put in, let's put in bears. I'm going to hit submit. And just for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to open up the first thing I see. I'm going to choose a shorter video. And now in United Streaming on a computer, you would normally click a download link at the top of the screen. But it's very easy in Stash. All I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my finger down on the video preview screen itself. And I'm going to hold it in one spot for about 2 seconds. When I do that, these 2 buttons pop up. Now I simply click download video. And I don't know if you noticed, but a little red 1 popped up over here. Let me do a longer video. It went so quickly that you didn't have a chance to see it. So I'm going to hold my finger down on the preview screen until the button pops up. I simply click download video. And now you look up in the upper left, you see a red circle with a 1. That means one video is in the process of downloading. What's cool here is you don't have to wait for it to download. Let's go ahead and do another search. This time I'll search for frogs. Hit submit. Pull up another video. Let's see, frogs and tadpoles. Let's try that one. Right here on the preview screen, again, I'm going to hold my finger in one spot, click download video, and again, here's my little number that says I'm downloading some other content. Now, you don't have to wait until that's done. You can just click done on your iPad, and look what we've got here. Here's the video I just downloaded, and if I click on that, if I tap on that on my iPad, it's going to play that full screen just like it would on a computer. I'm not going to do that here because of the way I'm capturing my iPad, it kind of looks a little bit strange, but it won't to you in real use. Okay, so now you can see I have several videos here previously downloaded. I want to just show you one other trick that will let you group these, because over time you may add up quite a few videos that you want your students to view. And that is the edit button up here. I'm going to make some groups of videos. Right now we're on this video page and it just shows you everything, which sometimes is good when you want to find something. But if you know you've got several videos in the same category, you simply click the edit button up here and you click add album. I'm going to give that album a name. I'm going to name it Frogs. I'm going to click Save. Now I've got an empty folder here called Frogs. So how do I put things in the folder? First I'm going to click Done at the top because I'm done making my folder. Now I'm going to click Edit over on this upper right hand side. And once I click Edit, I can then select frog related videos that I want to put in there. So I've just tapped on 3 of these, putting a check mark on them. And I'm now going to say Done. I'm going to click the folder icon down at the bottom. And I'm going to tap on the folder I want to put them in. Did you see that? That happened really quickly. So I clicked Edit, I put check marks on the videos I wanted, then I clicked on the folder down here and tapped on the folder named Frogs, and just that quickly, now when I click on the Frog folder, I've got just those 3 videos. Now you can see I accidentally downloaded one of these twice, but you can see there how easy it is to create collections of videos for your students. Okay, so let me do that one more time. I'm going to go back to All, and this time I'm going to make a new folder called Volcano. So I'm going to click Edit, Add Album, click on Album Name, and I'm going to type in Volcano. Click Save. So I've now got my Volcano category. Click Done up above. And to put them in, I'm going to click Edit over here. Simply put the check mark. I only have one actually I've got 2 Volcano videos here. Actually I have 4. Let's put them all. Okay, so we've got check marks on them all. I now click down here on the folder button. And then all I have to do is tap on the folder I've created. And boom, just that quickly, I can now click on that folder. Oh gosh, I keep clicking on my computer screen. So now I've got a folder of volcanoes and a folder of frog videos. Now, so you can see how easy this is to, over time, generate collections that maybe you've got a group of kids you want to view this when they finish another activity or as a part of an activity. Now you've got a very easy way to focus their attention on just that content you want them to view. Okay, so enjoy. When you're done, you can just click Log Out in the upper left. And that is Stash.